Oh,
Hey,
look everyone.
today is
It's
a mountain
sunny
tree
morning,
mission
right?
adventure.
Lupi has a little tree ready for the light. Let's sing along. Lupi holds
Careful
the little
now,
pot with gentle
keeping
care
this little
today.
pot nice and steady.
She walks along the path to bring some green this way. Step by step upon the stones, across
Step by
the stream
step
so
across the
clear.
stones, safe
Ducking
and
under
sound.
branches low, following ribbons near. Planting a mountain,
Ducking low under the
planting a
branches,
tree,
watch your
growing
head.
so tall just for you and me. Lupi is helping with a smile so
Climbing up the
bright,
wooden steps, feeling the
making
breeze
the
blow.
world beautiful and right. Up the wooden steps she goes with steady little feet. Lupi taps her toes,
Holding tight to the rope, the
the
mist
breeze
feels
shakes tiny
cool.
pine needles soft and cool and sweet. Holding on to ropes beside the waterfall's misty spray, Lupi keeps a
A quick
balance well
rest
along
here
the
while the
rocky
rain
way.
passes by.
Planting a mountain, planting a tree, reaching so high
Pulling
for
the
the
sled across
sunny
the meadow,
sea.
almost there now.
Lupi is working with such gentle might, bringing the forest into the light.
Digging a cozy round
A
hole for the
cozy
new
shelter
home.
keeps them dry while raindrops fall outside, waiting for the weather to be calm and clear and wide.
Planting the tree
Then
and
out
pouring
into
water for
the
a
meadow
drink.
where yellow flowers sway, pulling on a tiny sled all through the grassy day.
Waving goodbye to our new friend on the mountain.
Planting